Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and welcome back to another video tutorial on Python GUI with Tkinter. So if you haven't checked our previous videos on Python programming, Python GUI tutorial, then don't forget to go and check it out. The links are in the description box below or I section right above over here or here. I don't know where it will be. It's just YouTube key. And in this video session, we are talking about Python dialog box. So what are dialog box? And they are not a big deal thing, but it's just a warning or anything that pops up. Like, I will show you how you can code your own. You might not know what it is. Okay, so this was the previous structure, but we want to import other things for this message box. So we want to do from Tkinter import message box. Okay guys, so as we import message box, we can now do what is, now let's say message box. Let's say we want to ask a user either to quit the program or not. We can just do is message box dot ask question, and they took two arguments. First one is the title, so let's tell quit, and next one is, do you really want to quit? And when we see, yeah, you can see, do you really want to quit? Yes. And the big deal is this is coming, but this should not come. So we can do what is root dot withdraw. So this is another method that we can use. Sorry, this D was. And do you really want to quit? Yes. Okay. And let's suppose if user clicks yes, we want to quit. If no, then nothing. We don't do anything. So let's put this in quit answer variable, and if quit underscore answer is equals to yes, then what we do is root dot destroy. So we also did it in previous videos. And else pass, not do anything. Let's check. Do you really want to quit? Yes, it quit. And when I do no, it doesn't do anything. It's a great thing. Yeah guys. So next we want to do is message box dot, we want to show an error. Okay, so showing an error takes this one, show error, message box dot show error. And as always, it takes two arguments. First one is title and second one is that error, you are being watched by Kovid. And when I run this, yeah, you can see error, you are being watched by Kovid, and previous video question, this question. So next we want to show is we want to show a warning. So it takes a good thing, message box dot show error. So it's kind of warning. It's kind of easy, and title and description. So title warning, you can put anything. Your battery is low, and let's do you are being watched by Kovid. Your battery is low, so you can see over here sign also. Okay, and yes. And next thing we want to do is message box dot so info. So this is just an information, nothing else. So it also takes 2 arguments, so which are first is title, so hello world, welcome to my Python GUI tutorial using Python, using Tkinter. And when I do, this is error message, this is warning message, this is info message, and you can see hello world, and this is quit message. So this much for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. So our videos doesn't get too much like, so please have a time to like that video so that you can encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.